Hey guys, how to fix Snapchat device ban. So first of all, what you need to do, wait. Device bans are often temporary. Wait for a few days and try logging in again, and then look for any communication from Snapchat regarding the ban on your email box, and then contact the Snapchat support if you have that issue still. Reach out to the Snapchat support through their help center, provide details about your account and its issue, and then create a new account if the ban remains and you cannot resolve it. Consider creating a new Snapchat account with a different email address. Avoid using a third-party apps or services that might have caused that ban. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.